my channel, so I wasn't gonna do this unbagging here of my Ipsy bag because it is from March and it's already April. But while I'm waiting for my April stuff to come, I figured that I would do this unbagging. I did redeem points and I also purchased an add-on, so I figured I'd show you because I actually liked March's bag. So let me just get into it. So the theme of the month was Women's History Month. So they really celebrated women, and it looks like that all the products in the March bag were female-founded brands. I also like that Ipsy is now giving us a card with all our products on it. So the first thing I did, I redeemed some points. Now, I don't remember how many points this was for. It could have been maybe 400, 450, around there. But when I saw this, I really jumped on it quickly because I thought this was gonna sell out quick, and it really did. This is a sheet of 12 blemish dots. Now, I've tried this before, this brand. I've tried the Peter Thomas Roth ones, which are really good, and I like these a lot. And as you probably already know, they do have add-ons to where you can purchase 3 additional items onto your Ipsy bag, and they're $3 each for samples or $12 for full sizes. I did purchase 3 products with my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, so I didn't really see anything else I wanted except for the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Boom Boom Cream. This I will get I don't care, I would get 10 of these if I could. And now let's get into the bag itself. So for March, it's pretty cute. I mean, I like that it's rose gold. The blue zipper and the blue star kind of make it nice. And it says, "And off she went to change the world." First product we have here is a brush, and I love getting brushes. I'm gonna open this up. It looks like it's in like a, you know, like when you have a straw wrapped up? That's what this packaging looks like. So let me open it. So this is the SL Miss Glam SS62 Short Shader Brush. Now, I don't have a lot of brushes like this, so I'm pretty happy to get this because I don't have a lot of these to where you can use in the lower lash line. So for me, I think this is gonna be really good. This is such a pretty brush. I always love her brushes. She always has those signature little studs here, and the glittery handles are beautiful. The next thing here, which is so cute, it's from the brand called I Do Care, the Disco Kitten Illuminating Diamond Peel Off Mask. Now, I've seen these in Ulta, and I've always wanted to try them, but I have a lot of masks, so I wasn't gonna purchase something like this full size. I kind of have like a love-hate thing with peel-off masks because when I put them all over my face, they hurt when I pull them off. So I really only will use this in the T-zone area. But it says here that this K-beauty brand's all about skincare for all genders, skin colors, skin types, everyone. This peel-off mask is made with pearl powder to exfoliate, diamond powder to brighten, and superfood oat to keep skin healthy and nourished. So the actual package in itself has that cute little face on it, so I think that's really adorable. So here's a close-up of the mask. As you can see, it's really shimmery. You can really see that diamond powder in there. The next thing here, which I actually thought it was something else at first, and I got really excited. I thought it was the Ciate glitter flip, but it isn't. This is just a regular Ciate London mini lip luster. Now, they had a couple different shades you could have received, and this one I was actually least excited to get at first. This one's called Wildfire, but then as I looked at the other ones through other YouTube videos, I saw that they're all pretty sheer, so I really ended up liking this one better because it did have a little bit more color than the other ones. This vitamin E infused gloss is non-sticky, silky smooth, and creates a sheer wash of pretty red color you can layer to deepen the shade. It's just like it's kind of like a doe foot applicator, but it's a little different. The shape of it's a little different. It gives a real sheer wash of color. With all the lip products I don't have anything like this one. The next thing here, I actually have full size because I received it in a Boxycharm, I think. This is the Tarte Man-Eater Voluptuous Mascara. Tarte's committed to creating products that are cruelty-free and made with good-for-you ingredients. This inky black formula features a flexible brush that coats even your teeniest lashes. Jojoba and carnauba wax strengthen and protect your lashes and help prevent flaking. The brush for this one is like that silicone-y brush, kind of like the Benefit Roller Lash or the Bad Gal Bang. And then the last but not least is another product I've actually tried before. This is the Hello Fab Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. So this is like a 2-in-1 thing where you can use it as your primer and a moisturizer. So for me, because I have oily skin, this is actually used as a moisturizer. And then if I need more like pore fill-in or oil control, I'll use more like a matte primer in my T-zone area. This 2-in-1 formula is a nutrient-rich moisturizer that hydrates skin while reducing the appearance of fine lines and pores and prepping your skin for makeup. The secret, a blend of superfood, good-for-you ingredients like coconut water, quinoa protein, and minerals. It's just like a moisturizer. Before I blend it in all the way, you could see how it starts to give like that glow. And it has like a really light coconut scent, but more like a natural coconut, not like that artificial stuff. That is everything in my March 2019 glam bag. It's already April and my April subscriptions should be shipping shortly, but I figured I'd get this one up and out of the way and just share with you guys what I received. So keep a lookout for all of the April stuff coming up. I have a few other videos I'm gonna be filming that are different from unboxings, so I'm gonna kind of branch out a little bit. Please subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and feel free to share it. Help me grow my channel. I do also have an Instagram. It is listed down below in the description box. It is skincare_glam. And until next time, I will see you guys soon. Bye.